It's lunchtime in Vietnam, and I think we're going to grab a cab and go and get what is supposed to be one of the best phurs in town. Taxi! This is Phở Lệ. It is probably one of the most famous phurs in town, and it's on all the lists. So today, let's go and try it out. So I ordered phở Nam, which is raw beef and brisket beef. Yes, please. Yeah. So if you're wondering what makes a good phở, I think ultimately it's the broth. The broth is everything. And this place does it pretty damn good. Okay, final thoughts. This place was great. I'm going to say it was phenomenal.